Hello everyone, good day. I'm Reymund. Welcome to my channel, and this video is all about the Fulbright Distinguished Awards in Teaching Program for International Teachers, or the Fulbright DAI. So Fulbright DAI is a program of the Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs of the U.S. Department of State and is implemented by IREX, or the International Research and Exchanges Board, which is a non-profit organization based in Washington, D.C. In the Philippines, Fulbright DAI is administered by the Philippine-American Educational Foundation, or Fulbright Philippines. The Fulbright DAI program, which replaces the International Leaders in Education Program, or ILEP, provides teachers with a unique opportunity to develop greater expertise in their subject areas, enhance their teaching skills, increase their knowledge of the United States, and complete an individual or group project. The program will take place usually from August and will conclude in December. The Fulbright DAI is a semester-long non-degree, non-credit professional development program at a U.S. university. Participants will audit courses in the host university, school, or Department of Education, and thus will be part of the general university community. The program will include opportunities to observe and co-teach with U.S. teachers in a U.S. school near the host university in order to actively engage participants in the U.S. classroom environment. After returning home, teachers who successfully complete the program will be eligible to compete for small grants awards for essential teaching materials to offer follow-on training for other teachers, collaborative projects between participating American schools, and other activities that build on exchange experiences. The fellowship provides the following. The first one is a J-1 visa support. Another is a pre-departure orientation held at the Fulbright Philippines office. You also have a round-trip airfare to and within the U.S. The fourth one is a welcome or end-of-program workshop in Washington, D.C. You also have your academic program fees, which will be paid directly to the host institution. Housing, which is generally shared with other program fellows, and meals are also provided. Accident and sickness insurance coverage, but does not cover pre-existing conditions. You will also be given daily allowance for incidentals during the university academic program. You will also be provided a technology or laptop allowance. Limited excess baggage or shipping allowance is also provided. There is also a minimal checked baggage allowance for domestic travel and the opportunity to apply for collaborative grants with U.S. colleagues. The following are the general eligibility requirements. The first one is you need to be a Filipino citizen. Philippine citizenship, dual citizens, or U.S. residents are not eligible to apply. Number two is English proficiency with a competitive TOEFL score. Number three, applicants must be qualified primary and secondary school teachers with 5 or more years of experience who hold full-time teaching positions in all subjects. Library media specialists, guidance counselors, curriculum specialists, special education coordinators, administrators, and other educators who work directly with primary and or secondary students in a primary or secondary school that serves a primarily local population at least 50% of their time, and teacher trainers may also apply to the program. Number four, applicants must have a bachelor's degree or equivalent education and experience. And the fifth one, applicants must be able to demonstrate a commitment to continue teaching or working in their field after completion of the program. The following are the required documents. The first one is a completed online application at a link to be provided by Fulbright Philippines, which you can see on their website. Another one is upload the following documents to the online application portal. First is you need to have your official or certified transcript of records from all colleges or universities that you attended, so you need a scanned copy of that. Another one is a certified true copy of your diploma, a scanned copy of your diploma, which will also be uploaded on the online application site. And an NBI clearance acquired in the past 6 months, which will be uploaded as a PDF file on the country's specific materials portion under the additional information tab on the online application site. And that is all about the things that you need to know about the Fulbright DAI program. If you have questions or queries, you can send me a message or comment down below. Thank you very much and have an awesome day.